I am late. Very late. I look at the clock. I look again. Oh no. I am late. In my bed, I sit up slowly. I look at the clock again. I feel worried. Very worried. I get up fast. Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. And I brush my teeth. Then I look at myself. I feel worried. Very worried. I feel stressed. I go to my room. Look for my clothes. I look again. A shirt. Pants. I put them on fast. Very fast. I move fast. I look for my shoes. Where are my shoes? Under the bed? I look. I look slowly. And I look again. No shoes. By the door? I check. I check again. No shoes. In the living room, I look near the sofa. I look under the table. I look again. No shoes. I look everywhere. I take a breath. I cannot find my shoes. I feel worried. Very worried. I look down. My shoes? I look again. I laugh. I feel better. I feel much better. I go downstairs. Then I go to the door. Open the door. And go outside. I walk fast. Very fast. I walk faster. I look at the time. Still late. The subway station is ahead. I walk faster. Then I run. Run to the station. I run fast. Down the stairs. Moving fast. The train is here. The train is here. I go inside and sit down. I feel tired. I take a breath. I feel better. Today I woke up late. I was very late for work. I looked for my shoes everywhere. I looked again and again. I could not find my shoes. Why? Because my shoes were on my feet. I ran to the subway station and I got on the train in time. Now I feel calm. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.